Few things I want to put on real quick. Like, see this? This is how I got it. So I got the clips, original OEM from SUBARU. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm also missing 2 nuts that I took off the intercooler that I never put back. And I think I found one and one, because they're different sizes. And I saw the other one, and I just don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna push the car out, see if I can look for it. It's clearly somewhere in this garage. All right, all the clips are in. We're good. Now it's not hanging anymore. We just put in the bolts over there, and I believe that's why my car was jerking and hesitating. We got to bolt this new screw. Let's go put it here. OEM everything, bro. So we have a misfire, random misfire detected, misfire detected. I was gonna change the spark plugs anyways today, so I'll do that and hopefully see what's going on. The air pump, of course, yeah, I knew that was gonna be the air pump. We do have a tune. I don't think it's a tune related issue. Show current map. Boom. So we have stage 2 map. Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a few little things today. We're gonna do the spark plug. I ran the code to see what was happening, if the ECU was reading something. It read as a misfire. I didn't have a misfire when I brought the car in, so I'm not sure what exactly went on. So we're gonna resolve that. So I'm gonna replace the plugs, see how they are. Probably have a boost leak somewhere. I'm not sure if that's also what's causing it. And just got the Accessport today from my brother. Connected it, see what tune we have. We have a regular cop tune, so we're gonna get pro tuned hopefully this month. I gotta make an appointment real quick, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. So let's go ahead and take these things off. First, you want to remove your battery intake, this piece over here, to have access on the sides. Some people remove the motor to do it, but you have easy access. So let me show you guys. All right, we gotta remove. It has a lot of corrosion on it. We're gonna clean that up as much as we can, and we will have access. Here's one. Here's the other one. It's a little dark. I'll try to bring some light in. There you go. You can see both of them. It's a 12. Okay, so I have a 3/8 wrench with a 12 to go up in there. Don't know if you noticed it, but it took some time to clean it. I'll just put it like a rag and paper towel. So it's already out. Let me work on that one. 5/8. I'm not sure why it's not. After I loosen it, I just do the rest by hand and go from there. Got some NGKs. Part number right here. I forgot to vlog most of it, but I removed my intake. I removed the whole piece. So it was a bolt here, there was a bolt here, and a bolt here. 3 bolts. Took out the whole thing. And now I have access. The rear was kind of a pain to get into. I wish I could explain, but for the coil pack, I couldn't get my ratchet in there to hold onto the nut. So what I did is got a wrench, 12 millimeter, and I was able to fit it down there and loosen it. Took out the coil pack, and now I'm working on getting the spark plug out. I also did the ratchet. I just unlocked it and then took the ratchet out, and now I'm doing it by hand. It's just the best way because you have a little clearance. Okay, that was really tricky. I had to take the extension out and hold the socket with my other hand. I'm using my right hand to take out the extension and then pull out the socket with it. That's what I did. I couldn't take out the whole thing out as one with the spark plug in it. So yeah, this is probably the most annoying spark plug job ever. I had a heart attack because I was trying to put this in with the spark plug and it kind of disconnected and it went in with the spark plug socket. Don't be afraid. It's actually in like a hand length. So once you put it in there, it's right there. So I was able to just turn it just to get it tight and then click it on with the extension. So I kind of hand tightened it with this. That's how close it is. And then I hand tightened it so I don't put too much pressure on the spark plug. And that's it. And I tightened it with the ratchet. And we're good. Let's put the coil pack on and go from there. Focus on that. I don't know why it's not focusing. Honestly, I hope this goes way better for you guys than it did for me, because I think it's been about an hour, and this is a workout, bro. Like, in the angle you're in, and depending on how low you are, because you're just bending down, my back hurts, bro. So this cylinder, the one driver front, those two weren't too bad. The back was a little bit of pain, but I was able to do it. This back here was a pain completely. That alone took me like at least half an hour easily. I put in the spark plug socket first. After putting the spark plug socket first, I then inserted the extension, and it was a lot of play to try to get it connected. Once it got connected, I was able to loosen it, but then I had no clearance. So once I loosened it, I had to do a couple clicks and release the ratchet, and then do it by the rest by hand. Once it's loose, I had to disconnect the extension from the socket and then pull the socket out. I hope that helped. I'm not sure if maybe I need a smaller extension, possibly. That's how big it is. It's like a 3-inch, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so we're all done now. So we're just gonna do some little things like put LED lights, well, LED bulbs, and some other miscellaneous things. I got a battery tie down, brand new, because mine is rusted. Got that. Let me throw that on. Let's see what else we have. Some little miscellaneous things. Let me go put the bulbs in first. I always get my things from LastFit. Their quality is really good, so this is what I rock. And now we put everything back together. It's nighttime already. We have this plate, which goes here. We didn't have any hardware, so we went to go buy some. Hey guys, so just wanted to let you know, some of the footage wasn't recorded, but I did finish off the spark plug. We didn't get to finish off the LEDs because I believe I got the wrong ones for some reason, because the plugs on these headlights are completely different from the one I ordered, which are the right sizes. So I'm gonna get either a conversion kit or return them and get the right ones. So that's all for now. We're gonna work on finding the oil leak and go from there. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.